Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Content has been a bit slow because of the weather just lately, but I've also been working on this bad boy, which is my third FTX Kanyon. Well, I'm actually over the moon with this one. This will be my last and final build of the FTX Kanyons. The modifications I've put on this one are the BF Goodrich wheels and tyres. Also 3D printed some centre caps and orange. 110 transfers again. This time I've gone for the Defender metal cages over the rear windows. Also fitted the bush wires. Also added the sand settlers up there. What other accessories have we got? Little orange fuel tank with an orange jerry can, orange spade, orange and black ammo box. This one is running all the original parts, like the standard brush, motor and ESC. I didn't go brushless for this one, decided to stay brushed for something different. Also we have, as you can see there, is a spade that looks absolutely awesome. So yeah, that's what I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. Like I say, this is my final one. I won't be building any more of these. I don't know why I decided to build 3, but at the time I just absolutely loved them, and I had some crazy ideas what I wanted to do. We've got one with the army figures and the helicopter in the back. We've got the other one with the police light and a few other bits and bobs, running the 2.2 bead wheels. These are the 1.9s. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.